Understanding nutrient absorption.
Nutrient absorption is the process by which your body takes in vitamins and minerals from what you eat or supplement. The source of these nutrients can affect how well your body absorbs them. Exploring the differences between whole foods and supplements can help you make informed choices for your health and nutrition.
Whole foods, nature's nutrient packages.
Whole foods, like fruits, vegetables, grains, and lean proteins, provide nutrients in natural combinations. These foods contain fiber, enzymes, and other compounds that help your body absorb vitamins and minerals more effectively. The synergy of multiple nutrients in whole foods often leads to better overall absorption and health benefits.
Supplements, isolated nutrients.
Supplements offer vitamins and minerals in concentrated or isolated forms, such as pills or powders. While they can help fill dietary gaps, the body may not absorb these nutrients as efficiently. Some supplements lack the additional compounds found in whole foods that aid absorption, which may reduce their effectiveness.
Bioavailability, a key factor.
Bioavailability refers to how much of a nutrient is actually absorbed and used by your body. Generally, nutrients from whole foods have higher bioavailability due to the presence of supporting compounds. Factors like digestive health, age, and interactions with other nutrients can also influence how well your body absorbs them.
Practical tips for better nutrition.
For optimal nutrient intake, focus on a balanced diet rich in whole foods. Use supplements only when recommended by a healthcare provider, such as for specific deficiencies. Pairing certain foods, like vitamin C-rich fruits, with iron sources can boost absorption. Remember, a food-first approach provides added benefits that supplements alone may not offer.